Hi people, and welcome to a new tutorial in Solidworks. Here I'm continue working on the V12 engine. Let's make this part. This wheel is the wheel of crank of the camshaft. We will use it when we put the chain drive. Let's start a new part here and let's choose here the front plan. As you can see, click on sketch. You can start with a circle, as you can see here, and you can use smart dimension, or you can activate the four movement, as you can see, with the right click and drag, okay, with the right mouse button. Put here, sorry, I am close to the window, you can hear other sound because I changed my desk. Here I want to add here a rectangle. I will add chamfer, and you have two options here. You can just draw a rectangle and add chamfer with feature, or you can add chamfer here on the sketch. As you can see, when you go to here, you will find make chamfer entities, and you can select two edges, but make sure that you will lose the dimension, as you can see. Okay, as you can see here, what you have to do is just to add dimension here with 13, or if you like to go to equation and add function, maybe add 13 equal 13. It's okay like that if you can make through all. When you finish this, just turn your disk like this. See this reference, as I said in the first tutorial of this series, I said to you to keep attention to the reference, because when you go to the assembly, it's very hard to make it. So for that, you have typically choose the same reference as me, or if you change the reference, it will be hard to you. Here I prefer to project all of this one using this, and now you can make the extrude, as you can see here. Once you finish, you can select this one and make it a fillet here with 10. Okay, here. Once you finish, rotate it to the original one, as you can see, and you can choose this surface, make it normal. You can show the normal menu or bar by using the right mouse button, custom menu. Okay, here I will choose here a slot, a circular slot, as you can see here, and let's add some dimension to it to make it on the right position. We have a radius of 25 here. I want to add these this line just to add the angle. If you have any suggestion to make angle, just leave me a comment. People seeing this tutorial, please leave me a comment. I like read your comment and suggestion about what I'm doing here, and I like to see what you did. For that, you can join my group on Facebook. You can find it on the description. Okay, now when you finish this slot, you can leave it like that and make a cut and you repeat it, or you have here another method just to select all the sketch and you repeat it with the sketch. As you can see here, go to the cut feature. You can make it, as you can see, like that. It's okay. Let's select this surface and add the circle here. Add dimension. It's okay like that. Finish your sketch and cut it with 1.5. Okay, as you can see here, all thing is alright. Here I want to show you how to add the shortcut to use the circle and dimension if you want. As you can see here, just type here circle. As you can see, let's as you can see, with the dimension I add D. Just press the key, and if you have a conflict with other shortcut, you can leave it like that. For me, I use frequently the circle, line, and the dimension with D. As Fusion, I like Fusion for the shortcut. As you can see here, that's the difficult step, but don't worry, we will make it very easy to you and to follow it. You can use this method to make other the opinion or other system like that. Okay, just follow me because I calculate all of this radius and this diameter, all of these dimensions. Okay, as you can see here, the chin, why I put two line here, because if you see the 2 point of the line here, from here to this one, it's the distance of the chin, okay, between two teeth, okay, two tooth. Okay, now I will add another circle here, make it for construction, make it equal. The same thing, I will add another circle tangent to this one, make it also for construction. The same thing, it will be tangent to the first one. As you can see here, I did that because I will use this one to make the profile of the cut, okay, to make the teeth. I will select all of this and make mirror to it using this line. And now when you finish all of this, you can use arc to draw arcs. Start with the center, and from here, as you can see, to here, and use this from here to here. The same thing in this side. Okay, now we have one thing is alright, but you can verify if you want. As you can see, we are okay here. Make a cut, and now you can choose the region to cut. As you can see, now here you can make the next. As you can see, we have nice cut here. You can select the feature and go to repeat or pattern. You can choose circular, just something circular, okay, as you can see here, or if you want to make max here. Here I will put 40 for the repetition. I can't see, just believe to what I write, okay. Okay, it's okay like that. We have nice wheel, camshaft wheel, okay. I will use this wheel to chew off the camshaft, maybe for the Ford, because in this engine we have to use for camshaft. Here you can activate the standard view, and let's go and make the holes here, because I want to make the wheel cover. For this I want to make two holes or two circle. One is 1.5 and this one has 3.4. Add some dimension here. And make sure that this two is vertical and this one is horizontal with the origin. Select this one, you can make it repeat this one 6 times using the pattern, circular pattern on the sketch. And here use extrude cut through all if you want. That's okay. I think I have done with the wheel. Now let's try to make the assembly, the wheel and the camshaft. You can add material here. As you can see, I will save it here. Just put name here, camshaft wheel. After that, maybe I will make the camshaft bearing cap or the pinion, or maybe the crankshaft wheel. People, don't forget to subscribe and make a thumbs up if you like it, and share the video with your friends. Let's go to the assembly. Here we have the wheel. Just start. I will deactivate this view. Let's add mate with these two surfaces and add another mate here. The last one is between these two surfaces. As you can see, when I rotate the wheel, the camshaft go with it. You can copy this part. Just Control C and Control V to copy and paste, or paste maybe. Add some mate here. As you can see, now I want to add another mate between these two diameter, but I will modify it after. Just to show you, just select two of them and go to advanced or mechanical mate here. And the ratio here is 1. Just you can validate. Let's inverse. Let's validate to see what's it's okay. It's not okay because it's not it's linked with the chain driver. Okay, to that I will inverse. Okay, as you can see, when the chain passes through the one, drive the other well. As you can see, you can, if you want to make the camshaft in other cylinder head. And now all things achieved. I will tell you, see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll maybe add many parts here, as you can see in the original version. Thanks for our subscriber, and see you in the next episode.